I'm taking you directly now to the top court of the country, where currently the hearing is on for the Kolkata case.
The police station, in this case, the
Tala police station.
Tala PS is informed that 10:10 that there's an unnatural death.
Yes.
Notwithstanding all this, the securing of the crime scene and the seizure and everything takes place at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night?
No. Well, that's why I've got timelines. Well, this is a bit unfortunate. I'll just give you
You're watching the live proceedings from the Supreme Court. The scene of crime altered and tampered with, says the Central Bureau of Investigation to the top court of the country. This is a big news. Remember, there's a big statement that's come in from the CBI to say that the crime scene has been tampered with and has been altered. Who and when by that is not we don't have clarity on that, but I can tell you that the CBI appears to have told the Supreme Court categorically there has been a cover-up. Because the question is, did someone clean up after the crime happened? Let's listen in again.
Lord, I am getting Kolkata police. Ships have,
we have.
Records.
Is presently a hearing at the Supreme Court, and this is very significant, remember, because while the court had taken suo motu cognizance earlier, there was a national task force that has been set up, but the doctors maintain that there have to be some immediate interim steps so that for their safety and protection there is a better atmosphere at not only RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata but across the hospitals around the country as well. But what you're looking at is huge. Remember, this is a scene of crime altered with is what the CBI has told the Supreme Court, that there has been an attempt to cover up. Why was the family misled, saying that this was a suicide? How can the kind of injuries that were physically on the body, could it turn out to be a suicide? We are told also, SG Mehta here has said that the crime scene has been altered and raising suspicions as well. The family told it was a suicide, and this is what the family members also have consistently stood by, that for hours they were not even allowed to look at the body of their daughter. It was dismissed as suicide, and then importantly, in times like these, that area has to be immediately, completely barricaded. Was there someone after the crime? What happened for hours? Did someone try to clean it up, tamper with, and get away with the evidence that could have caught those accused?
in the evening hours of 9.
No, on 9th.
On 9?
On 9th.
9th August.
Yes.
Now the GD entry of unnatural death case was recorded on 23:30 hours on 9th. That is 11:30.
Now that's for the FIR. UD case was in the morning, Malaj. 1:47 p.m.
As per the report submitted to us.
No, that's why I have the timeline, Malaj. It's better, Your Lordship. I'll give it to my Lord.
23 is the FIR.
1 second, allow me.
Is right.
The scene of crime, including inquest, seizures and autopsy, were carried out mentioning the GD entry number 542 dated 9/8/2024. Now this GD entry was made
and 861.
and it's case number 861.
Malaj, may I, with Your Lordship's permission, Malaj, allow me to place the timeline before Your Lordship, given minute by minute, as to what happened. And Malaj, if there is, kindly hold on, just give it to my Lord, please.
Mr. Sibbal,
Yeah.
just tell us from your record at what time the post-mortem was performed.
Yes, I tell Your Lordship.
From your record.
Yes.
That is for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 p.m.
in the evening.
Yes.
Correct?
Correct.
When you are taking the dead body for the purpose of performing post-mortem, is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the post-mortem?
This is a case.
Just so that you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes, I'm of course.
In our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistance
Yes.
in your form. When you start performing the post-mortem, that means it is a case of unnatural death.
No doubt about it.
Post-mortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours
That's the FIR, Malad. That's not the UD.
No, sir. No, sir.
Malad, I've just.
Just listen to us.
I'm sorry.
Either you are right.
No.
Or
No,
what
it was
was
FIR.
You
FIR
have
was,
to answer your lordship's question, Malad, without interference, please.
no, you can.
Just
Yes,
one
certainly.
clarification.
Certainly.
The records reveal,
Yes,
subject to what you have to further point out to us.
correct.
UD case number 861 of 24 of police station Tala
Yes.
was registered at 23:30 hours on 9th August 2024. V-Day GD entry number 576 and the FIR number 52 of 2024 was registered at 23:45 hours. Is this record correct?
Malad, may I therefore point out to your lordship, just take the timeline. We've referred everything
So
in it.
according to your record, the UD was registered at what time?
1:45 p.m.
1:45?
p.m.
No, that's not true.
They're 1:45 p.m.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Malad, I'll show that to your lordship.
Because we today have a report
Malad, but that I'm saying, Malad.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore, it's very surprising. Post-mortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Malad, this is what I'm told, Malad, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone responsible there to assist?
Yes, certainly, Malad.
If any officer is present, you may speak to him and tell us. Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree with. I agree. Let me just, Malad, the officer is here.
Please.
I may beg my lords to point out one thing.
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Just a
First,
minute.
let him ascertain. Tell him to make a responsible statement. He should not make a rash
Of
statement.
course not, Malad. No
Tell
question.
him.
No question about it. Malad, kindly see page 4 of the diary.
I thought
What time is this?
Can I have a timeline, please?
Hold on. I've
No,
not even
you-
handed it to the
You have not given. I have been requesting since.
I don't know why you are interfering, sir. I've not even given it to the court.
Just a minute. Just a
You
minute.
have
Allow
given.
me to answer the court, please.
There are 3-4 questions. which
Yes,
we
Malad,
would
we'll
like
answer each one, Malad. And we can't, Malad, we have to make sure that what we say is right, Malad. So what time is this? Hmm. Yes. Malad, yes. Kindly see, Malad. Now, kindly see page 4 of what? Of the case diary. It will give some indication as to what happened.
thought.
Yes, it says, Malad, that
UD case number 861 of 24 was registered at what hours?
1:45.
From where do you get this?
It mentions, Malad.
From where do you get that?
I'm just trying to show. Make sure that. Date,
That's common. That's common.